Hello, today is hashtag day one of giving my baby healthy food, my 6-month-old baby. So I'm going to add some butternut squash with mincemeat, beans or mishiri as you call them. Then I'm going to add broccoli and cauliflower. Then I'll add some Irish potatoes, and then I'm going to add turmeric powder and some olive oil. Yes, so here it is. I know I said I'm not going to give my baby some animal protein, but from the clinic they say I should start giving, and if the baby reacts I should give it at least 3 times before I stop. That's what I was told by the doctor, not from Google or from my saying. No. So, and again, I'm going to add salt. I know back then I said I'm not adding salt to my baby food, but I was asked, can you eat your baby food from the clinic? I said no. They asked me why. I said because it doesn't have salt and oil. They say then that's the problem. Your baby will not eat that food either. You must add food for iodine. Then I was like, okay. So my baby food has boiled and it's soft. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend my baby food. I'm not going to blend it that much, just kidogo, so that it's not too thick and it's not too soft, because she's growing and she has to start to learn how to chew her food. Yes, and I always cook a lot so that I can freeze the rest for the days that I feel lazy. So I put them in the breast milk bag and I freeze them. My baby is enjoying this food and my baby is eating. So now I know where the problem was. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.